Well, good morning. It's Sunday. I believe it's September 23 or 24. I'm not sure. And I just wanted to give you a little update of my garden area. These are my little sugar pie pumpkins right here. And I am getting some buds starting on them. There's a little female flower that's starting. It's probably not in focus because again all I have is this Kindle that I'm using, but they have really taken off, these plants, into containers. Problem is I've been trying to fight these doggone leaf miners that are doing so much tunneling in the leaves. And I have sprayed with BT, but it doesn't seem to have helped too much. They just come and take over these things. Now, one guy on YouTube said to just come in and smash the little demons. But, gee, I can't see them. I don't see anything. There seems to be no activity, just where am I? Smash the things, you know? So, that's what I'm going to try to do this morning. I'm not going to bug you all with it, but I'm sure you're familiar with leaf miners. He just says, go ahead and just smash them, So, but I am getting a lot of little buds coming out on this. I'm very pleased with that. These two are sugar pie pumpkins, and I'm getting some flowers that are open already over here on the winter squash. This is buttercup squash, not butternut, but buttercup squash. So you can see there's lots of flowers. The vine is doing very well. It's just the doggone leaf miners. So they say spinoside, but you can only use that 6 times a year. And there's another little female bud coming. Yeah, right there. And I don't know. We'll just have to see what happens. I did order some sticky traps, the yellow sticky traps, and I'm going to put those out as soon as they come. They're supposed to catch the little flies that lay the leaf miner eggs. So I will try that. You've seen my compost tumbler. I'm trying to do this now, and boy, this thing is heavy to try to flip up and down and turn around. Once you get it going, it's okay because things even out and scatter, but I'm trying. I'm gonna see how that goes. My little banana tree is getting larger all the time. It's doing very well. No problems there. And this is a little, I think it's a loquat tree that's coming up in this little container here. I dug it up from the corner of the yard. My neighbor's tree is hanging over my fence and dropping some of the fruit. You can see it back there in the corner. It's this stuff back here. Where is it? That back there. My little citrus trees are just not doing anything. They are putting out more leaves. I do spray with neem oil and the BT from time to time, but I'm starting to get this leaf curl, and I discovered it's some kind of little critter that's that's making some kind of web in there. If you can see that, I don't know. So I'm gonna have to spray again. It's just a constant battle. And of course the leaf miner is on here too. Look at this son of a gun. Look at this. Look at this. Holy mackerel. So it doesn't take any time at all for these critters to do a great deal of damage. I don't know what's wrong with these blueberries. They're just not doing anything. Maybe the soil is not acidic enough. I've got to go buy some acidifying conditioner for the soil. Maybe that will help. I don't know. Again, this is my little the leaf miners have attacked here too. Look at that. This is my satsuma. And try as you may, you know, everything comes under attack. I guess that was God's curse on man for in the Garden of Eden. If you go read your first couple of chapters of Genesis, you'll see what I'm talking about. This is my little seed tape with all the perennials, and they're coming along. If you can see this, I don't know if you can see, but there's some little flowers. I don't know what that is, but they're cute. Some little white flowers back there. Again, I don't know what they are, but they're cute. And that's a flower that's gonna open up. So these are coming along. Even though I planted late in the season. So you can see we do have nice weather for these. They are coming up. The rest of the yard, I'm getting more caladiums, believe it or not. They didn't sprout until August. And I got another one, a little one back there behind the ornamental garlic. The turmeric is doing okay. Getting more leaves, growing taller all the time. Say good morning, little lizard. Say good morning. Hello, Puddin'. Hey, baby. My little flowers are doing okay. My portulacas were open yesterday. I guess it's still too early for them to open their eyes. These are some herbs. I have the Italian oregano, and over here is the Greek oregano. Those are coming along. Parsley. Now those three I did not grow from seed. I did get those as transplants. But this is basil that I did grow from seed, and that's coming along okay. My rosemary, I love my rosemary, that's wonderful. The sage is coming along fine. I have a couple more basil over here in the main garden. Those are coming up. And of course I'm full of peppers over here. My little sweet peppers back there, my little sweet gypsy peppers, are getting squeezed out by the eggplant. Look at the size of this thing. It's actually 2 eggplant bushes, but I don't know if you can see that. The glare is so bad. This is some acorn squash I started down here. 2 little plants. This one and that one, and those are coming along fine. I think the vine borers may be over for the season, but I still protected them with the foil. That's a volunteer watermelon coming up. I don't know what to do with that. You hate to pull it out. You can see the blossoms on the eggplant. I harvested a bunch of eggplants, and then they kind of stopped, and now they're blooming again. So I think there's a little eggplant starting on this one. And this is the other eggplant, of course. That's coming along. Don't seem to have the flea beetle problem that we had before, and I'm not sure if it's because of the diatomaceous earth. Are these leaf miner flies? Is that what causes? I don't know. But I'm not sure if the diatomaceous earth is what got rid of the flea beetles, or the mosquito control truck that comes around and sprays down here. They spray with pyrethrin, and I don't know if it was the truck spraying, because I'm really close to the street here. The street is right next to my fence there. Or what? Or if it was the diatomaceous earth. In any case, the doggone flea beetles have stopped, thank goodness. But now I've got all these little flies that seem to be the leaf miner flies. So I don't know. I don't know. These are my little peppers, my sweet peppers. These are going to be red sweet peppers, bell peppers coming up, and they're doing fine. My cucumbers, not doing too well, not putting out enough leaves. Normally they would be just climbing everywhere, and it's not due to lack of rain. We've had a lot of rain here, so I don't know what it is, but I'm getting some little flowers, so I hope to get some more cucumbers before the year is over. You see all these eggplants. I'm thinking I need to pull some of this out. It's just too much. And then you got to cook it all, you know. Anyway, that's a blessing, not a curse. My little begonias at the bottom of the trees are coming along. I did trim these back a little bit. They were getting too thick, the crepe myrtle and the little yaupon next to it. I did thin those out. I chopped off a big branch, and that helped. Probably didn't do too good a job of it, but it helps. And cleaned out that area back there by the bird bath. Thinned out all those amaryllis, so it looks much better. The grapevine is getting brown leaves. I don't know if that's just end of season, normal death of the vine or the leaves on the vine, or if it's got a disease. I did spray the last time I sprayed everything. I sprayed the grapevine, but I don't know. It looks okay. It looks okay. The lantana, of course, is just everywhere. It grows so well. And I've got a few sunflowers, but something attacked this one, the big one. It just got like rotten. I guess too much water. I don't know. We had a lot of rain. And I will spray these too. But again, I don't know. This is a variety, just several different kinds of sunflowers, so they don't all get really tall. These aren't the giant ones. But you can see this is not doing very well. The seeds, these are all dry, but the seeds don't seem like they're doing anything. I don't know. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. So that's the update right now. I have started some more seedlings inside the house. I'm growing a lot more basil. I'm hoping that will help keep the bugs away in the spring and in the summer next year. So that's about it, gang. Thanks for watching. Oh, and yeah, I already told you the date. Okay, bye-bye.